What the hell is up, guys? It's your boy Bogues here, back at it again with a new video. And what you guys want? Another food eating video. So I got the Subway, I got the Footlong. It's got ham, cheese, jalapenos, spinach leaves. Let's get it.
3, 2, 1, go. There we go. I got it in 2 minutes and 59 seconds. Just under 3 minutes.
There it is. The Subway Footlong Challenge. This might be a new playlist on the channel. Give me some a certain type of food to eat. I'll eat as fast as I can. Like last video, the chicken nugget video, if you haven't seen that, go check that out. It's kind of a fail, but you know, it happens. But try to beat my time of 2 minutes and 59 seconds. Let's see these videos. I saw a couple of them for the chicken nugget one, but if you enjoyed this video, go like this video and then subscribe to me to see more. I try to upload. I'm a busy dude, so let's see what happens. So this is your boy Bogues, and I'm out. Deuces.